Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Casey's RV Adventures. Today we are going to be hopefully starting the demolition process. But first we're going to start testing out the appliances like the generator and just making sure that everything works. But hopefully we are going to get things started today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.
Okay. Hey everybody, my name is Dylan. This is my first time y'all really seeing me and hearing me talk on the channel. So basically what we've done so far, Casey going back here, I'm going to get around the bed so you can show them a little better. During the week I've been messing with the mechanical things, trying to see what's working and what's not. One thing that I noticed was the onboard generator runs great. Got lucky there. It's got almost 1,200 hours, which is a lot, but it runs smooth, great, all good. It was making power, but it was not powering the RV, which that's an issue. So I need to get the bed out. I needed Casey's help for that. As you can see, we've started to rip some things apart in here, moving stuff around because it was kind of a pain in the butt. This bed had a piece of wood that goes over this that screws in, and that's what the bed actually sits on. That was a pain in the butt to get out, let me tell you. But guess what? We got her out. Now, on the electrical. So, right here, normally it has this face plate on it. Yep, right that. This plate on it like that. So it looks all pretty and whatnot. But this is the brains of the operation. I don't know how technical y'all are on electrical, but when it comes to, this is pretty much household electrical. It's kind of backwards to what you're used to. So black is always hot. That means it's always at the power. Your white is going to be your neutral, and then you have a copper, which is your ground. This wire nut was the issue. It's our neutral. Because it wasn't tightened right, this right here is our automatic switch relay. What that does is when the generator is on, it has a bunch of magicalness inside of here, and it switches from the generator, from shore power, which is what you plug into with your 30 amp or 50 amp, whatever plug. It switches from that automatically to the generator. I thought that was our issue. It was not. It was just one connection loose, and because that connection was loose, the computer didn't know what in the world was going on, so it said, you know what, we ain't gonna use the generator. Put that on, everything works now. So we are now, that's just for safety reasons, people, don't worry. So what we're gonna do now is I'm going to put the cover back on that and the screws so I don't lose it. As you can tell, there was some nastiness over there. We're going to vacuum all that up. We're going to get all of our stuff out of here. And then we're going to start ripping out carpet and ripping out all this roof material so that we can see, hopefully, this only bad area. But we'll find out once we get this out. All right, me and Casey are going to start tearing into this. Catch y'all in a bit.
So right now is the moment that we take out the fridge. It's gonna be super heavy, but here we go.
y'all. So we just got the fridge out, and as you can see, it's nasty in there.
Nasty.
So this is coming out. All this insulation is coming out. This wall is going to have to come out due to it ain't no more wall. And like I said, we'll have to replace the entire wall. So as you can see right there, you can probably see the sky or some of it. So the issue was the vent on top of the roof. I don't know if it disintegrated, it got broke or whatever, but it's not there anymore. So for the last decade at least, that thing been getting rained on. Because of that, the floor here, toast. This wall is toast, and underneath it is toast. Got to get ripped out, got to get replaced. Luckily, we've already tested power from the battery, good. Propane, good. And for all y'all that are worried about us, this right here is an on-off valve for the propane, and we have it turned off. So if we turn the propane on, propane will not come out of here. This outlet, we're good to go wiring-wise. It's just the wood. Also, all this insulation is gone, and we are going to re-insulate it, just not with this old house style. There's some more foam styles you can do that are just as good, but obviously you don't have to deal with the fiberglass and all that. But we're gonna tackle ripping this crap out and show y'all what we think we got. All right, stay tuned, y'all.
So here we have the carpet all ripped out. We definitely need to replace most, maybe all of the wooden flooring. We took out the chairs that were in the front, including the couch as well, and yeah. So continuing on to the next day, it actually rained the night before, so as we were taking down the roof, it was wet and nasty. But yeah, enjoy us tearing down the roof. Well, Dylan tearing down the roof. So there's Dylan moving all those wires so we can get that cabinet out. Here's the roof. As you can tell, nasty. It's pretty bad. Definitely gonna have to replace all of that. We discovered we definitely are going to take down the roof. But there's us taking down the cabinet. The girl is strong.
Water is the destructive force.
So here we began to rip out and demo this kind of closet drawer area that was next to the fridge. We tried to save as much as we could, but throughout this process of taking this part down, we discovered that the way that this RV was built very poorly, and that made it very difficult to rip out. So we came to the conclusion that we're definitely gonna have to replace most of these things. So here we are ripping out the sink and starting to tear down this absolutely dry rotted kitchen counter. I didn't get too much footage on this, and I unfortunately didn't get to film an outro, but that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.